Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a dining set. Along with that I have a crockery cabinet and a server unit. I'll show you one by one. Before that, the product that I'm going to show you now, I'm sure if you have visited several showrooms, furniture showrooms, or somewhere else where you're looking for furniture, you will not find something like this. You could find something similar in a showroom that is importing from Italy or from Middle East, something like this, but we are making it here in India, our own Bharat, with our local artisans, the cushion guys, the paint guys, the crafters, the artisans, all are Indians, the Bharatiya people. And such fine quality, such fine designs are all made in India. Let's see the dining first. It is a 6 by 4 feet top. 6 feet like this, 4 feet like this, 6-seater dining. A double carved chair. The carving you see on the back. Similarly, we have carving on the front, and a very nice and a different design of chair, as you can see. It has got very light handle design on both sides and carving all over. I'll give you the details about the paint and the fabric a little later. Let me give you the dimensions first. Table, as I mentioned, is 6 feet by 4 feet top size. The chair is 51 inches high till this part. Left to right, this is 26 inches, and front to back 24 inches. It's a wide chair. I'll sit on it. You can see how much space I'm getting is quite spacious, and I can sit very comfortably on this. A real Maharaja Royal look that we get in the chair, and with the back carving, the entire set looks very beautiful. Wherever you place it, it looks amazingly beautiful. And not just the chair, the masterpiece, the main attraction of this set is this dining table. It's a little heavy, it's made in solid teak wood, and let's see the work on the dining table. Is all wood that you're looking at here. This is not resin, this is not fiber, this is not any other local wood. This is teak wood, solid teak wood, and the color is metallic gold. All crafting work that you're looking at is done by hand by local artisans. They draw on paper by hand and then carve the wood to such amazing pieces that you're looking at here. And the color in the middle that you're looking at is a shade of mahogany, and this mahogany has got texture, marble like texture, that you can if the video is possible, with this camera you can see here, and that we can see with the eyes, marble like texture that the artisan, the paint person, the master painter has got out of the unit. And this is the kind of work we are doing. You like natural wood finish, you like darker finish like the walnut finish, or you want any paint color, white, off white, gold, metallic gold, antique gold, rose gold, and silver, triple shade, dual shade, so many things, champagne, so many colors we are doing. And all these colors we have already done. We have made that, and there are more than 1500 videos on YouTube where we have shown all those items in detail already. Here I'm showing you one more masterpiece of our furniture. Before moving further on the rest two items, let me give you a little more detail. What generally happens when you go online, search for royal furniture or premium furniture, or you're searching for very designer furniture, most of the pictures except Aarsun, because we have logos on our picture, except Aarsun, if you get pictures, 95% of those pictures are catalog images. Catalog means the image that is generated by a software. These are not original pics. These pictures have a complete setup with the chandelier and the carpets and the window and the table lamp and all these things looking on the sides. These are made completely by softwares. So these pictures are coming to reality at Aarsun. And this is one piece I'm showing you, again out of catalog. And these days it's very easy to generate these pictures. Just go to any AI app, you go to Grok, you go to Gemini, you go to any other app, just put a prompt, give me this kind of table, it'll throw a picture to you. An amazing piece, a very creative design. But here we are getting the real piece, the real work right here in front of you, and with home delivery, not just in India but 55 countries. This entire set is going to Bangalore, and we are delivering everywhere at door, at your home. Coming to the server we have, this has got a 7.5 feet cabinet, 3 feet high, This area is 18 inches and this is 24 inches till this point. If you see the pillar, this is a little bulging out, the pillar design. And again, a different shade in this one. We have white, we have mahogany shade, that marble look mahogany and metallic gold. So three colors in this one. The frame we have here is 6 feet left to right, 4 feet high. Amazing piece of work on the mirror frame as well. You can see all the heavy carving, very deep carving right on the mirror frame. And here you can see how wide, how deep the mirror is. It's quite heavy wood, and all is teak wood, solid teak wood. The middle area front to back is around 7 inches wide, and this is the heavy deep carving that we do here. In most of the places, you see light carving done by machines, but here we do handwork. And this amazing work, amazing quality, and seasoned wood that will last a very, very long time. Quite durable, very good quality of paints, nice artwork, and as per your choice. I'll come back to the choice point. Before that, I'll show you this another amazing piece of crockery unit. This crockery unit is 4 feet left to right, this area. The base is outer, so it's 54 inches, 4.5 feet from this point to that point, 7.5 feet high, and 24 inches deep, 2 feet deep. And at the back, you can see carving work. Fine carved piece at the back, on the sides, the top crown, you can see beautiful carving on the top, and again, metallic shade of mahogany on the crockery unit as well. It has got double door unit, and once we have glass in both the sides and shelves inside, it is ready for use. Glass work, mirror work, and marble work we don't do here because transport is an issue, and these are fragile items, and it can be very easily done on the site. People can come to your place and can provide the shelves as you require. People know it how to do it because most of the houses have windows and mirror work, and people do come at site and do it. So in India, generally we don't do it, but if it's a container going outside India and you want us to do it, we do it happily because container is much safer than sending single items. That's why we are able to manage that in containers for outside India. Coming back to the point of pricing. See, we are making it here. Aarsun is making and you are receiving. There is no middleman, no commission agent, no trader in the middle. So you always get the best price from Aarsun because it's the factory price. The last and the most important point is about the choice part. And this is also interesting for the interior designers and architects also because they always come up with very creative designs, very interesting designs. And at this point, people get stuck because their choice and what the people provide does not match. Here we provide what you want. And choice has several things. First is the design in itself. What do you like? So it could be this design, you like a lighter design, you like something like a French design, or it could be a different color or different fabric and sizes, all these things put together because every place is different. So you may have a very big room or a small room. The product should fit perfectly in. If this table is 6 by 4 and you have a bigger space, this may look very small. But if you are going for an 8-seater or 10-seater, you don't have that kind of space. So obviously that has to be matched to that particular space. Then comes about the color part. Colors, I've told you, we have done all the colors already that are available that people are liking, and more colors we are getting done. So you like anything and we are doing it here. And the other most important point is about the fabric. Fabric is one thing that can transform the entire thing. We put a different fabric on this one, it will look very different. It's just like about the clothes we wear. uh, if I'm wearing a suit, I may look different. If I'm wearing a kurta pajama, I may look different. It's entirely about the theme part. So you like any different fabric, you want leather, you want leatherette, you want faux leather, vegan leather also people call it, or the original leather, or the suede and Holland and jacquard, any fabric you particular shade you want it in red, you want it in blue, let us know. We have options available in the market and we can show it to you and you can let us know what you want. So the point here is you like something and we are making that at factory price as per choice, and we are delivering right to your home in India or outside India. So just let us know, select what you want, and we'll be happy to discuss your requirement. The number is right here. Our website aarsunwoods.com, more than 1500 videos on YouTube. Just type Aarsun, you will get a lot of stuff. And the final point, made in India by local artisans. The pride that we are sharing with the entire world in 55 countries. Thank you. Dhanwad.